Hello everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. And today I am sharing entry, I believe it's number 5. And this one is from, let's see, Amber with Delightful Creations. So I don't know where to begin. Of course, you can see I've already opened it. I am just so happy that I received another entry. It's getting filled up. Slowly but surely, but it's getting filled up. So let me start with the beautiful Christmas card right here. And it says Season's Greetings. Got some pretty little bling on it and a pretty bow. And inside it says, may the love and joy of the holiday season stay with you all year long. From Amber, from Delightful Creations. And again, here's the inside sentiment and the card. So very beautiful. And it's gorgeous. And inside of that is the Mendex card. How pretty that is. It's a pretty Christmas tree. Beautiful, beautiful Christmas tree. With all the little sequences on there. The little gold star on top. It's so cute. And some presents under the tree. And it says, Happy Holidays. And on the back is her information. I'm just flipping it real quick. It's adorable. So I'm going to lay that right here. And inside, I can't remember if this was in here. Let's just go to this next. Some of her crafty extras she sent, crafty items. And here are some adorable, you can use them, they're little rosettes made out of crepe paper. And this one says Merry Christmas up here. And this one says Warmest Wishes here. Oops, this one fell off. You can use them wherever you want. It's an adorable little reindeer right down there at the bottom. And here it says Deck the Halls. Aren't those just adorable? How cute those are. I love them. So pretty. So very pretty. And then in here, some more little goodies. This looks like actually a homemade envelope too. It feels nice and thick, like thick cardstock. So in here we've got, let's pull this out, from, very pretty. I love the paper. Beautiful paper. She's got some little embellishments in here. It says Winter Wishes. Around the sides, it's got some gold around the sides, very pretty. And then she sent some stickers, which I love. Right here, they say Happy Holidays and Season's Greetings, and they got cardinals and Christmas packages and poinsettias and holiday wreaths, Christmas wreaths, and Santa Claus. And teddy bear and a little log cabin. So precious. I love these little stickers. And look at this adorable Christmas tag. Wow. Now that is one big Christmas tag. It's huge. And it says Holiday Cheer. Look how pretty that is. So very pretty. I just love it. Oh, I love Christmas. It's so pretty. I love the cardstock. She's got a pretty snowman and an ornament, and it says Holiday Cheer right here. It's got a red ribbon. It's nice, thick cardstock. Beautiful, beautiful Christmas tag. So I wanted to share that with you. And thank you so much. I love everything. And please do not forget to, whoops, there it is. Check out Amber's channel. I'm going to put her information in the description box below. So make sure to check out Amber's with Delightful Creations. And we'll see you real soon. Thank you for joining me, everybody. And thank you, Amber. Everybody have a great night. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye now.